Go back to mommy. Nevaeh, go back to your mommy.
Yeah.
You got more.
Sit her down, please.
I knew she wouldn't eat it.
What's
this? Yeah, each grape.
Dropped her grape in a bag.
Yeah.
You want it?
A cardigan.
Yeah, I agree.
Baby, you're a comedian.
My wish, granddaughter, on your birthday, spend the day doing just one thing. Being happy. Oh, look, there's more money.
They're rich.
More money.
Can I have a loan?
Text message from mom.
Yeah.
Here, throw me that grape. She's not gonna eat it.
Food fight!
Look what Grandma got you.
Yeah.
Shorts. And a shirt. And
Nope, there it
who's
went
on
again.
that shirt? Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell.
Here, baby, throw me that grape.
Kara. You see that? Thank you. And another shirt. Is that a pretty shirt? Pretty shirt. With a little skirt. Bubbles! You like bubbles? What's in there?
Oh, Kira. Kira.
There.
And